Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, and this is another new video and free mockup template. I will put the link in the description below to download, and it will be required password to unlock the file, so I will tell you the password in the video. So at the first, I already have some design inside this smart object, so just double click in smart object, and this is what I already designed, so you can put your design here and you can arrange some of your own design as you want. So I already have a design, so I just turn it on and then save. Click Ctrl S to save, and then it will be automatically updated here. So after that I will update on the solder, so the same, so just double click and I will open my design and save, and I close this one. And for the solder, when you update the left or the right side, it will automatically update both, because I already linked these two in the same file. And another one is left and right slave, so I just double click this one, just double click on this one and pick any color that you want to put. So I try to, I take this one, and this one is color around here, so I just copy color from this one and double click and paste on this one. And this is the stop as the color here, so you can change the color you want. So in this mockup I will put red, and click OK. After that, this one is inside shirt, just double click the same and I will put black color, and I will copy this color code and also put on the inside left and right sleeve as well. So just double click here and Ctrl V and click OK. Now I already placed my design into this mockup, so you can place your design here as well. And I will continue to the back one, and this is the password to unlock the file. And if you not yet subscribe my channel, please support me to subscribe my channel, and you will get another free mockup in another next video as well. I open this layer, so I double click and I just turn on my design, and click Ctrl S to save. And another one, also this one color, so keep the same process at the front one as well, because I already create the same process. So I pick the color, and the color strap I will put the red one, and solder I double click and turn on my design as well, and click Ctrl S to save. And the sleeve color I want to be the same the front one, so I just go to the front and copy the color code, and I come to paste here, and the color is seem not the same to the body, so we need to adjust a bit. And click OK. After that, inside I copy from this one as well and put here. Thanks for watching and see you next video.